Airplanes. How long is too long? Boeing aircraft have been making their 737 lineup of aircraft longer throughout the years. Well, I have this RC-737, and we're gonna find out, how long can airplanes really be? Before we do anything, let's see how the plane flies normally. I suppose we should do a few aerobatics while we're in the air. And we'll come around for landing. All right, flies pretty good. Time for the longening. Yes! We're gonna make the first flight with 2 sections because I had to make this even. Commence the longening. We're gonna get us a new camera angle here. We can't rotate! Oh, we can't take off! Oh, we got a car coming! Turn around!
So what is this, a 7.5?
No, it's a 737. We just didn't want to retrain all the pilots, so we just made a longer version of the same airplane.
Yeah. Is this the 737 Supermax?
Yeah, the Super Duper Max.
Did it do this off the road?
We tried to, it couldn't rotate. So we're gonna launch it off the cart.
Are you ready?
Yeah, good. Let's go. This is officially the longest 737 model of all time. Roll it. It is not like that. All right, I'm gonna land it. We're gonna make it longer. One more longening. I'm trying to take it apart. This is the really nice thing about these new Insta360 Go 3s. They're super lightweight and small, and they do not upset my airplane's balance. So now we're gonna move it even further forward. Check this out. This is the all-new Insta360 Go 3. Now, we've been actually using some of these cameras for a while where you can preview with this cool new action pod that they developed. In addition, with the new action pod, they even increased the resolution of the camera. The old Insta360 Go 2 shot up to 1440, however, this new one does 2.7K. It even boasts a longer battery life, up to 170 minutes with the new action pod. Hello. It even has integrated magnets. Another really cool thing I like is they even made some new accessories. Like, check out this mount, how it snaps into the camera for a more positive lock so you don't lose your action camera. I know it doesn't quite look like it, but this thing is actually even waterproof up to a depth of 16 feet or 5 meters. And for all of you who love filming things and are very, very lazy, they even introduced this AI-powered auto edit feature. Simply go to Stories, auto edit, add your clips, and boom, you've got a shareable story you can post to social media. Because this is an action cam, all of the cool flight scenes you guys will be seeing are filmed on this. And one more really unique feature about this camera, it has this shooting mode where it can film in vertical and horizontal at the same time. It's impossibly small and lightweight, so